Hey, what on traders? You know who this is, Stockerfella. Today I'm doing a little different video. Got a comment on Twitter today from my boy again, Dan. What's up? Asked what a bear trap was. I was kind of busy. I told him to go to Investopedia and I'll tell you what it is. And he told me that he didn't understand it, so I came to Investopedia trying to see how Investopedia defines it. First off, shout out to Investopedia, you guys. You know, I always go there because I love their definitions of things. So for the bear trap thing, I don't know. It's kind of hard to understand the way they defined it. It says, okay, let's start over here. What is a bear trap? A bear trap denotes a technical pattern that occurs when the performance of a stock, index, or other financial instrument incorrectly signals a reversal. So that's when you think, let's do it in like layman's terms, you guys, like normal people language. So when you think a stock is going down, but it's like tricking you, but it's really about to go up. When they say incorrectly signals a reversal of a rising price trend. A bull trap denotes the opposite of this phenomenon, in which the reversal of a declining trend is falsely signaled. So a bull trap is basically the same thing but opposite. Let me just show you guys, because I don't know, this is kind of hard to see. You have to actually see the shit. And we have a perfect example of a bull trap today. And guess who got squeezed today, you guys? Me. Even though I said I'm going to stay away from the market this week, my self-control was bad today. I couldn't control myself, you guys. You know, the addiction is real. Shit's real. I had to take a position, you guys. I got squeezed, but not too bad. $470 loss. You know, to me, I risk my risk is about $500 to make $1,000 on this trade. And the main thing is, the thing I am proud of myself is because I stuck to the plan. So even though I lost, you guys, you're gonna always lose in trading. It's part of it. It's inevitable. However you say that word. But you gotta make sure all your losses are smaller. So let's say I caught my today, like I caught my losses at $470. Okay, but usually my wins are $1,000 and up. You feel me? So my last one was $2,800, so it's like a 3-to-1, 4-to-1, 2-to-1, 3-to-1, at least 2-to-1 risk reward. So let me take you to the perfect example of a great squeeze today, which my ass got squeezed. And let me show you. Let's make the 1 minute chart. This is Roku, you guys. Roku been on a hell of an uptrend for. Let me show you a yearly chart. You guys remember when I was shorting Roku around this area? Thank God I don't hold stocks for long. Remember when I was showing Roku around this area? Roku's been on a crazy uptrend from back here, from $26 to hitting a high today of $135, you guys. The stock's crazy. You know, today they released a new kid service, but let's not pay attention to that. What we want to talk about is a short trap. You know, I don't want to get carried away, because I always get carried away. I start talking about other shit. So let's stick to the topic of the video. A short trap. What the hell is a short trap? How does a short trap look like? Basically, I got short trap today. I got in a short trap today. I thought, okay, look it. Let me show you guys what happened on Roku. This is today when Roku opened. Now I was watching this, about to take a short on this. Plus, I don't like shorting right out the open because it's easily get faked out. And news came out, and then this gapped up pre-market. So I was like, let me watch it for a while. This was a perfect long, you guys, at support. But, you know, I don't like to long for shorts. I was waiting for a dip, waiting for a dip. This, let me actually put the apply trade so you guys could see where I got squeezed at. Show trades. And you're going to see I got squeezed a couple times. And look it, exactly right here. Let me zoom in this section right here, you guys. Right here. You see this right here? This is a little short trap right here. This is when you say, okay, I got a resistor where it looks like it's going down, then all of a sudden, boom. Then look at right here. Then, okay, more shorts came in right here. You can look at the volume and see the shorts. I see the sellers coming in right here. So I shorted right here, think it's going to go down, and boom. Look at the volume that came in on price, you guys. And then boom, boom. It looks like a flag, a little like mini flag pattern. So you can see a little mini flag. A little mini flag pattern, a little mini flag. Look at how many short traps we have today. We had this. We had one right here. We had one right here. We had one right here. Let me take off these trades. Look at, we got one right here. Look where I covered at, you guys. The second trade, I just got in real quick and I got the hell out. Because I was like, okay, I seen volume coming in, and I don't want to get trapped again. And thank God I did get out, you guys. Even though this thing topped off right here, it was still kind of on uptrend. Although you can see aftermarket right now still holding in the 135 area. So you can see I covered the rest of my position. Oh, this is the second. This is the last trade I think was right here. So I got some of my money back. I mean, I got squeezed only for like $50 right here. I was down for like a couple hundred right here. I was down like $600-700 a day. By the time I got out, it was like $470. So I did stick to the plan, you guys. My max loss was $500. I stepped away, got squeezed for a while, came back, it was around $500. I was like, you know, let me get the hell out of here. Okay, now, could you guys see these short traps? Let me see if I can have a better drawing. Let me get the arrow. I don't know if I'm explaining it good enough. You guys see this right here? This is a short trap. This is when, right here, it looks like it's going down. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, about 6 candles around the same resistances. Then I have a bearish candle. All these candles, like this candle has a lower high and it has a lower low. Red candle, bearish candle. Lower high, lower low. Still a bearish candle. Even though it's green, it's bearish candle. Indecisive, but still a little bearish. This is definitely a bearish candle. If you look under it, these are where the early shorts came in. This is where my stupid ass came in, you guys. I was really, I don't know. I was just kind of, I don't know if I want to call it bored or whatever. But this is where I came in, you guys. All I wanted to do is a quick test of VWAP to bring it down to right here and try to make a quick dollar profit. And you can see the short trap, bam, held this trend line, and boom, got in again. Look it, another short trap right here, you guys. Let me put another arrow right here. You guys see this red arrow? We're zooming in right here. This is a little zoom up, you guys. See this arrow? This is another short trap right here. This is where it goes up, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. 4 bearish candles, you guys. Where a lot of shorts came in, but guess what? Boom, kind of held the trend again. So there's a couple lessons in this. Don't go against the trend, which I said the other day, which I should have listened to what I said. And another thing is, have patience. Have patience. See, on the short trap right here, let me go back, you guys. Let me take off these show trades. Where are these show trades at? Let me take that shit off. Alright, so let me show you like the most today on see the first short trap, boom, right here. The second short trap, boom, right here. Let me zoom in. See the first one right here will look like it's going down, then boom, spike back up. Second one right here by the arrow will look like it's going down, then boom, back up. Let me zoom back out, you guys. There were a couple more short traps, you guys. Shorts all day kept getting squeezed out this thing. Another short trap right here, you guys. You can see if I come right here, you can see right here where it looked like it was breaking the trend. A few sellers came in, not that much shorts according to the volume right here. Not too much sellers came in, and boom, guess what? Bam, spiked right back up again. So this thing has 1, 2, at least I see like 3. Here's another one right here. You see the arrows, you guys? 1, 2, 3 arrows. So at least three of these short traps in here, you guys. So, and how to avoid short traps? The second part of my video is the key way to avoid short traps. I think is pay attention to the volume. Pay attention to the volume. Volume is going to tell you a lot. Volume is going to speak a language to you. Once you guys understand volume, look at you guys. Look at. I just zoomed up the volume, right? Look at the short trap. I should have been paying attention, and all day my brain was telling me, look at the buyers are way more than the sellers. The buyers are way more than the sellers. The buyers are way more than the sellers. But I don't know, my stupid ass of gambling, you know, addicted to the stock market. So I just got the hell in. Even though I said I'm going to stay away from today, I just got the hell in. Took a little loss. You guys could see this shit. $473 on the day. So it's okay, you guys. Part of training. I'm going to take that loss. I'm going to learn from that loss. Have patience. Always watch for volume. Like I said, look at the big volume, you guys, on this candle bar. Look at this. This is showing you that every time the shorts try to push back in, the buyers come scoop this thing back up. So strong. Look at the red volume and look how low this is. 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 Look at the green compared to the red, you guys. You can see it all across the screen. You can see the volume compared to every time you try to break the cred, the green buyers can't push this thing back on up. And look at the candle bar on each high volume. Every time. And then when there was selling, there was never a time the whole day where a red candle volume was higher than a green candle. So I should have been paying attention to that, you guys. So big lesson today, you guys. That's a short trap. Learn how to avoid it. Pay attention to the volume. That's for you, Dan. I hope that helped you. Anybody else has any questions, any videos they want me to do? I hope I didn't forget anything, you guys. But I'm going to go get back to work. I'll see you guys on the next one. Remember, you guys, our motto, plan the trade, trade the plan. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.